The 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum Mop Combo by XIEBro is a versatile cleaning tool capable of vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping, making it an ideal choice for homes with various floor types. With a powerful digital motor, this robot vacuum provides 3 levels of adjustable suction power, reaching up to 1600 Pascals, and is equipped with a carpet booster function, making it suitable for tile, wood floor, carpet, and marble. This intelligent device can be controlled via remote control, Tuya Smart APP, Alexa, or Google Assistant, offering a variety of functions such as cleaning direction, mode switching, suction adjustment, and schedule setting. It features multiple cleaning modes, including automatic, spot, and edge cleaning, and can be easily operated by both young and old. The vacuum has an advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance function and a full set of infrared sensors to intelligently identify and avoid obstacles, and its slim design allows it to reach every corner of your home. It boasts a long battery life, running up to 100 minutes in quiet mode, and has an automatic charging feature, returning to its dock when the battery is low or cleaning is complete.